Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I am back with another topic, that is when you invest. So what would be the timeline for investing in anything? So regardless of the FD means fixed deposit, you must ensure that any investment would take its lead time. There should be a timeline for its investing. You can't invest in anything for 1 day or 2 days. Exceptionals are there if you have any opportunity, but normally when you invest in something, you must have the vision for a long term. When you consider investing in a stock exchange, when you consider investing in property, when you consider investing in commodities, you must set its timeline. When you invest in stock exchange in any shares, you must have a timeline of minimum 1 year and maximum it could be 5 to 10 years. I just give you a simple example. There is a share in stock exchange which deals in IT sector. You have invested in X amount. Now when you invest in the X amount in any shares, you have become the owner of this company. It's the company that will grow time by time, and you will get its dividend, you will get its valuation unlocked in the passage of time. One great example I have in mind, like Apple shares. Now when you buy a Apple share, when you have bought the Apple shares 10 years back, its value would be different. Now its value would be different, as Apple has gained its revenue reserve, has gained its retained earnings from the past many years, like their iPads, like their iPhones. They have committed to giving a great consumer products for in gadgets. So now when they have multiplied their products, now when they have multiplied their earnings, its valuation is different. And you must consider it's like when you invest in something, you get the opportunity as the company grows. You didn't get the opportunity in a single day or a 2 day or a 1 week or a 1 month. You get the opportunity to gain in something in the passage of time. Like Warren Buffett said, the price is what you paid and the value is what you get. So whatever you have paid 5 years back in the good company is reaped the profits in the coming years or today. So please keep in mind, when you invest in something, you should be investing in a good company that wants to grow, that wants to have a multiple profits, that wants to create a brand. When it's create a brand, it will create a value for you and yourself. So when finding any property, when finding any shares, when finding anything in any investment sector, you must consider the valuation. Like if you are investing in a property, you must know that the property is in the good area, the property is in the good locality, and it's have a good investment horizon. When you must know that investing in anything, you must consider your budget first, you must consider your risk first. Then you would be able to get a good healthy returns. And it's also that not everyone could invest in a good property, not everyone could invest in a good share because of their budget. So they should start contributing from today, and with the passage of time they would get good investment opportunities. But you must be consistent, you must be cleared on your mind that you want to have a passive income, you want to have a return. So one thing in the end, that it's a disclaimer that investing is your own risk appetite. It's just educational video. You must consult your financial consultant, your tax consultant before investing in anything. It is just an educational video. It does not suit everyone. It varies with person to person, with their risk appetite and with their investment horizon. I think I am done for today. Thank you.